Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to reset network settings on iPhone 17. Let's have a look. If you have problems using network configurations on your phone such as mobile data, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, resetting the network settings may be helpful. For this video I am using iPhone 17. First, you need to open Settings app on your iPhone. In iPhone settings, scroll down and tap General. Again, scroll down and go to the bottom of the screen. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Finally, tap Reset Network Settings. You need to enter your passcode to confirm it's you. This will delete all network settings, resetting them to factory defaults. This will delete your current Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you know your Wi-Fi password. To connect Wi-Fi, tap Reset Network Settings. Your phone will reboot, and after reboot, you can see fresh network settings. So these are the steps to reset network settings on iPhone 17. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.